Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brooklyn here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to have your reader customize the look of your character. So before we get on with the video, please leave a like if this helped you at all, and subscribe to my channel because I love to have you guys join the episode crew. Also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the right side of your screen, and you want to go to script templates. And as you can see, there's a bunch of templates to choose from. So you want to go to where it says avatar female and avatar male. So depending on the gender of your character, you want to choose which one. So my character is a male, so I'm choosing avatar male. And once you click on it, you're going to click on the assign character tab and choose the character that you want. And using Michael, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Michael. Now you're going to click add. So as you can see here, it says 13 to 732. That's perfectly normal. All you have to do is click on this button right here, and then it'll show everything that is going to happen once the reader gets to that point of the story. So that's pretty much it. If you want to change some stuff up, you can, but I think it's perfect already, so I'm not really going to change anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what that looks like. That's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more content. Also hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.